Welcome to Hong Kong!
Located sa may Chishi, Yeasty.
I just want you by myself when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I can tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside. Let's make it right.
Hi guys! So today is the day na pupunta kami ngayon sa Hong Kong. Kasama ko sila Jimboy, mga friends ko from high school, tsaka yung family nila, pati sila Jay. So kasama namin yung mga kids, tapos papasyal namin sila sa Disneyland tsaka sa Ocean Park. Ang travel namin is from Clark to Hong Kong, so parang 1.5 hour lang naman from Manila. Tapos yung Clark Airport nila dito is maganda, malinis siya, tapos malaki. Tapos maraming tambayan area, hindi ka mawawalan ng space. Pero syempre mas accessible talaga yung NAIA. Pero if good option din yung Clark kasi nga expressway naman yung daan niya, walang traffic. So samahan niyo ako, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga clips na makukuha ko sa Hong Kong with the kids and aking mga friends. Update ko kayo. See you! Saktong-sakto lang kayo ah. Saktong-sakto ah.
Dumami yung tao.
Kaya pala bumabalo, naipit yung daliri niya.
Ano nagsisiksikan sila ron? Hindi sila makalabas.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Saan ang seat nyo, Jaira? See you later, sabihin mo. Bye-bye! O mag-guys muna tayo gamit. Teka lang. Nakapila ba? Teka lang. Kahit. Sige, go. So, ito ang seat namin. Magkakatabi kami. 24 kami. Si Jimboy sa gitna. Katabi ko si Calix. Tsaka, me. So, update namin kayo later. Bye-bye!
Hi guys! So, ang room namin sa Hong Kong.
Sige, pasok. Pakita mo yung room natin. Ano yung nasa left? Open mo.
Bathroom.
Open. Anong meron sa bathroom? Toilet. Shower. May heater yung shower nila, no? Base. Ang halat na namin. Mga bag namin nakahalat. Tapos,
Yung pamilya ko.
lapit tayo doon. Three double bed.
Meron TV. TV.
TV. Tapos,
Meron fridge.
fridge. Tapos, asan ang view mo?
Meron kung ano.
Oh, ganda ng view mo.
Quick montage ng room.
Hi guys, naka-check-in na kami ngayon dito sa Rambler Oasis. Ito ay located sa may Chishing Yeasty. Qingyi. Mahina ako sa pangalan. Location nito sa Qingyi. Maganda yung hotel niya, parang nasa ano siya, nasa subdivision area. Tapos, kumpara sa mga nakita kong accommodation dito sa Hong Kong, isa ito sa pinaka, parang malinis talaga siya. Tapos, medyo spacious siya kumpara dun sa city center. Pero yun nga lang, hindi siya sa city center. Kailangan pang mag-take ng bus, papunta sa MTR. Tapos yung MTR going all around the Hong Kong. Kung ang sacrifice mo naman is yung comfort ng pagre-rest mo, okay na rin yun, worth it. Mas mahal pa yung Chungking Mansion ng 50%, parang ganun. So, yun lang. Na room tour naman na kayo ni Calix. I'll update you later kung saan kami mamamasyal at saka sa mga susunod na activity pa namin dito sa Hong Kong. Bye-bye!
The next day.
Saan ko lang kala?
Dito wala ko nakita mga ba.
Cable car is closed for scheduled maintenance. From the 12th to the 20th of May. Service will resume on the 20th.
Isang na lang tayo station. Dito na lang tayo sa Bunga Gym.
Bungad. Kasi lalabas din tayo agad. Jaira, are you excited? You, are you excited? Yeah! Baba. Higa, sumunod ka sa akin. Ayan.
Dito kay daddy, dito. Sa likod.
Yan na. Train Disneyland. Ayun o. Mickey na yung train. Doon ka ba? Nasa ganun. Pinibigyan mo kayo. Anong gusto niyo? Pwede tayo mag-isang balik. Mawa.
Mamaya pag uwi. Hirap.
Kaya pa ko na natin sila.
Wait lang, I'm just gonna fix it. Oh my God!
Ako tayo mag-picture. Diyan tayo tawag.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
We're here at...
Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland.
Hey!
We are in
Dito din. Yan
Disneyland.
yung train. Kaway! Lakad lang diretso. Ay, kaway! Saan? Ay, andyan nga pala. Sabi ko kaway, di ka kita.
Say hi.
Saan ka punta?
Hi to the vlog!
Hey, are you happy? Hey!
Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland.
Right. Let's go! Sige, sige.
On behalf of the Jungle Application Company, don't miss the show just on your left hand
Hindi
side,
naman tayo
the outdoor
breakfast
theater. And
Hindi tayo
the
breakfast.
don't worry, Bingkong. I've been inside the water for a long time. If you don't need any rain, you'll get a shower. And now with the old temple, please move by the spider, so horrible.
Hey!
There, still here, don't worry, Michael. Welcome to beautiful Africa. Do you know what this adapter with white stripe and female the white with best stripe is so amazing. And this is number 2 most famous jungle. There's got any.
Ito. shoes.
Someone teach my snowman, I'm gonna build it near a pool, okay?
Sasabihan ko sa inyo pag malalaglag na.
I'm scared.
It's okay. Ay, wow!
Alright, anyone wants to take picture?
Finish na! Oh, finish na! Bilis na!
Hey, howdy, hey! My name is Woody. We've got the orange track also.
Ano yun? Kawai, Jay.
Scared.
Kapit. Sandal kang ganyan. Oh, look lang. Wala naman doon. Scary? Not yet, eh, di ba? Oh, what's wrong? Nag-times to yung speed. Anong kailangan natin? Okay, Alex, tingnan daw natin to. Diyan ka lang ha, sige. Diyan ka lang kulang. It's fixie. It's not ano.
Let's go eat.
I see him.
Ito, Alex, sir.
Let's go.
Okay, saan tayo next?
Yeah!
Ocean Park. Sabi mo, see you guys.
See you guys!
The next day.
Hi guys, we're in the train. And we're gonna go to Mongkok. To eat breakfast.
Anong gusto mong breakfast?
Tapos dun antayin.
Chicken.
Dun tayo mag
Chicken tsaka?
Plain rice.
Okay. Ikaw, anong gusto mong breakfast?
Chicken plain rice.
Oh, eto, tinapay. Tinapay sinasawsaw sa gatas na matamis.
Anong gagawin mo dyan?
Bye-bye!
Pushpin kita dito dyan.
Hindi naman makakahingi. 3, 2, 1.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face.
Day 4 in Hong Kong. Tulala na po sila. Tulala na ang mga taga Hong Kong. Yung dalawang naka-Air Force, di na nagkasalita. Sakit ng feet. Sakit ng feet. Welcome to Ocean Park in Hong Kong! Isa pa, isa pa.
Is it alright?
Namin din sulit yung trolley namin kita niya.
Ayaw ko mag-stasa.
Hey guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa may aquarium side ng Ocean Park. So ito kung makikita nyo parang ano siya, controlled environment siya ng mga fish. Covered yung area tapos hindi naman maulan kahit may chance of rain. Tapos parang ganyan, mag-walk-walk ka lang. Yan. Mga ganito yung style. Actually, di ko alam kung ano i-expect ko sa Ocean Park kasi hindi ako nag-research. So, dito sila. Andyan sila. Yan. Ah, saan? Yan, merong mga fish dyan. May mga fish. Enjoy na enjoy siya, enjoy na enjoy. Ayan, meron silang mga trivia na ganyan. Tapos, ang nakalagay is hard coral polyps live behind their skeleton when they die. Each tiny hole once housed a single polyp. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Ewan ko, parang shell siya. Parang yan yung daw remain ng mga coral. How's the fish?
It's good.
It's good? Ano nang nakita mo fish?
I saw a blue tang, a pufferfish, clownfish, and a clownfish.
Ikaw, Calix, what did you see?
I see clownfish, pufferfish,
Ikaw, what did you see?
Mikey, pufferfish. Luta? Maybe he's hiding. Someone is there. Hey, another star. Ayun yung stingray!
guys, maganda sa Ocean Park. Ang pakalaki ng aquariums. Tapos ang daming variety ng mga isda. Look nyo to, tingnan nyo to. Grabe oh. Ang ganda. Parang nasa ilalim kami na aquarium. Tayo oh. Laknan to, Clay nakatingin. Lalagyan natin ng chili garlic butter. Oh, laki ng aquarium.
Ang minito po
Ang
to si
laki.
Tasaw.
Sheesh, tingnan niyo yung reference. Tingnan niyo yung reference. Nakatayo na ako niyan. Yan. Tapos enjoy na enjoy yung mga kids. Naglalaro sila. Ganda ba dito? Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Ocean Park. Ito yung sa side ng Panda. This one. So ito yung next destination namin. Hinihintay lang namin sila Jay, tapos papasok na kami sa loob. Hindi pa ako nakakita ng totoong panda. So tingnan natin kung hit pa talaga sa personal or what. Update ko kayo later ha. Let's go! Let's walk! Ayun, may panda. Pumasok kami sa loob ng parang controlled environment ng panda. Tapos, merong parang dalawang magkahiwalay na space. Parehas tulog yung panda. So, ang instruction sa amin is bawal mag-ingay. Baka kasi sensitive sa noise yung panda. So, ayun siya. Yan. Nakahiga siya. Ang cute niya sa personal, parang laruan. Hindi ko pa rin ma-realize kung hindi pa rin mag-sing in sa akin na totoo siyang animal. So guys, ito namang left side. Left side ng aquarium side is mga monkey naman. Ano? Mga blonde yung monkey.
Golden monkey.
Golden, kaya pala blonde, golden. Tapos ito yan, mga monkeys yan. Yan. Controlled environment siya. Tapos yung loob is aircon. Yan, ganyan siya.
Fresh water.
Oh, so, apparently sensitive yung monkey sa flashlight. Kaya pin-off yung flashlight nila. Pero yan, okay naman. Maganda naman siya. Kasi hindi masikip yung habitat ng monkey. Parang may space naman sila para makapag-ikot-ikot. Sa atin...
Liliman dito. Tingin dito, Jira.
Hala, inisnab. Inisnab kayo.
Dami, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bye-bye!
Bye bye, dolphin friend.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Real Mountain at the amusement park.
Dito.
Express train.
Sige, andar dun. Sama kay mami. Okay, thank you so much.
Picture ka din yung shark.
Saan?
Logo ko.
Sure do.
Sarap mag-selfie.
Magiging blurry pag Let's go! Chinese.
Malas lang sa title ng puti.
Hi guys. So apparently, yung dolphin show is in Chinese. So hindi namin naiintindihan kung anong sinasabi nila. Tinitingnan na lang namin mag-swim-swim yung mga dolphins tsaka ano.
They are telling a story about nature and what's making them get polluted.
I guess parang tama naman. Kaya lang, mas better sana kung nasa English to. Ayun o, kasi, ayun o, taas daw yung kamay. Hindi namin naiintindihan. Woo! Hindi ko sure kasi, ang nakasulat kasi timings lang nung show. Hindi ko alam kung yung timings na yun, meron ba dong English and Chinese. So, eto na kasi yung last show for the day. Kaya dito kami naswak. Ayun na, may dolphin. Hey! So, yun lang guys. I'll show you some clips nung nung dolphin show.
Okay, sipon, lagnat. Sabay-sabay.
Wow! So guys, ito naman, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Penguin Spectacular. Etong area na to parang ano siya, freezer. Sobrang lamig. Tapos, ang daming penguin. Tingnan nyo guys, oh.
Buta, i-click na lang for picture.
Ayun, nagkukalik. Ayun sa left.
Hey guys, 360 view dito sa Penguin. 3, 2, 1, go!
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient with.
Ito na sila ma'am, pababa na. Welcome to Old Hong Kong!
Tama yun. Panda. Tingin natin, tingin natin. Okay, buddy, go!
Ayan lang! Gusto mo dito ka? Gusto mo dito ka? Para makita mo? Tawag mo.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right.